You've heard of GDL, you know it can do powerful, useful things. You've seen it do powerful, useful things. But every time you think about learning it, you think, it's too hard, not worth the effort. Meanwhile, you're getting frustrated with out-of-the-box parts that don't quite do what you need them to do. You're cobbling together assemblies out of native Archicad elements, hoping that they don't need to change. Or saving fixed objects that aren't parametric. They don't stretch, they don't adapt, they don't display the way you need. They're close, but they're not quite right. What if GDL isn't the extra work, but it's the tool that removes the extra work? The skill that actually makes your life easier, not harder. Makes your work faster, more accurate, and your documentation more complete, more cohesive. But first, if we haven't met, I'm Bruce. I've been using Archicad professionally since version 8.1, building custom objects for real projects. From small to large, from simple to complex. And I'm here to help you take control of yours. All Archicad users will hit the same wall. The objects available to you, be it out-of-the-box parts or third-party parts, you'll always reach a point where they won't be able to do what you need them to do. You patch things together, you supplement with 2D line work, and you use tools, native Archicad elements, for things they were never intended to do. And over time, your file gets messier, slower, harder to control, and inaccuracies and errors creep in. And you start dreading changes, knowing the can of worms that will open. The pain of instigating those changes throughout your documentation set. And that's not an Archicad problem, that's a control problem. GDL is how you take control of your objects and your project. Not just how things look, but how they behave, how they adapt, how they display, how they're quantified. And this all contributes to workflow efficiencies, your peace of mind, and company profit. Instead of hacks, workarounds, and band-aid fixes, you get an object that is actually fit for purpose. Instead of forcing a solution, you build exactly what you need for your task, your project, your procedures. Custom-tailored objects suited for your output, responding to context if required. Now, I know what you're thinking. But GDL is basically programming, isn't it? Yeah, it is. But here's the important part. You don't need all of it. You just need enough to solve your next problem. And like learning any new skill, you start simple and then you build from there. Most of the value comes from a handful of ideas, parameters, conditions, simple logic, and a handful of commands which I teach on this channel. This isn't about becoming a programmer. It's about saving time, reducing errors, bringing your documentation together, and building smarter tools that make your life easier. And making Archicad feel like it's working for you instead of against you actually brings a bit of fun back into the process. So if you've been putting off GDL, don't try and learn everything at once. Start with one simple idea and build from there. Start here. This is the simplest way to build your first parametric object. Go script something.